Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Solution. Today we will learn how to bypass Huawei CAM-L21 Google account. January 2018 security. If you new in our channel, make sure you have subscribed our channel. Press and hold volume up and down key to enable talkback. Draw L to enable talkback setting. Click help and feedback. Again press and hold volume up and down key to disable talkback. Download FRP unlock package from description link and load it on SD card. Type your new Gmail account and password. And click sign in now. Now restart your phone. Please hit the like button and share this video. If you have any question, please comment in comment section. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I will see you next tutorial. Have a good day.